Hello, we are excited to introduce Anjuna Seaglass, the world's first universal confidential compute platform. Anjuna Seaglass is the first software platform capable of creating trusted execution environments in all of the major clouds, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, on any server chipset. With Anjuna Seaglass, you can run any kind of enterprise application, traditional, containerized, Kubernetes-managed, and emerging ML and AI workloads with complete data security and privacy, all without requiring any code changes. By virtualizing the latest confidential computing technologies, Anjuna Seaglass creates intrinsic security where data is isolated and encrypted in every state, in use, at rest, and in transit, and is always private, keeping it safe from insider threats, unauthorized privileged code and users, malware, and external attackers. So let's look at an example of Anjuna Seaglass in action. This example is a globally distributed financial institution that uses applications in private hosting as well as all three of the major clouds. When processing credit card transactions, they have a finite amount of time to receive the transaction, secure the data with their on-prem cryptographic layer, and then proceed to route the transaction through fraud detection, and then finally to payment processing. By using the isolation guarantees of confidential computing, they are able to move their cryptographic functions from on-premise into AWS. By moving the cryptographic layer into the same cloud as the processing applications, they are able to significantly decrease the total time needed to process a transaction, and therefore add 2 more apps to work on the data with the power of the cloud. Anjuna Seaglass enabled them to lower latency for happier customers and at the exact same time process higher volumes. But AWS is not the only cloud that this financial institution uses. To provide consistent service across all of the regions they operate in, this process needed to be repeated for each cloud. As Anjuna Seaglass is universal in nature, the applications require no changes and can be run both in Azure and Google Cloud. Anjuna Seaglass delivers intrinsic security across clouds, across server chipsets, and across application architectures, empowering enterprises across industries to compute without fear of vendor lockdown or infrastructure silos, and removing the cloud itself from the chain of trust. The universal nature of Anjuna Seaglass reflects the crucial importance of flexibility and scalability for confidential computing to become an integral element of the cloud compute fabric across both public and private clouds. Anjuna Seaglass is available now with a 30-day free trial to provide businesses the opportunity to experience the power and flexibility of this universal confidential computing platform. This trial represents Anjuna's ongoing commitment to fostering the adoption of confidential computing. Thank you.